This is the unboxing of the Hyperdisk. It's one of the 1TB SSDs that I bought recently, and well, invested through Kickstarter. It's taken quite a while to come. The box is quite nice, as you can see. They've done actually a fairly good job on the packaging. Okay, I'm just going to open this up quickly. There we go. Wow, it's pretty small. Nice. That's a nice little case, some stickers. It comes with a USB-C to USB 3 cable. So we've got a little protector for the case. And then it also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable for the faster connection. So after connecting up the Hyperdisk, I wanted to check out how fast it was. It managed to do 913 and 663 on the read, which is not too bad. Not the expected 1000 though. And I'm going to drag it into here, and this is going from my computer's SSD to the SSD, the Hyperdisk SSD. Feels like it's quite chunky in terms of like chugging through it instead of slowly, but it's doing it. Okay, that was quite quick.